How to delete Instagram chat from both sides. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete Instagram chat from both sides. So let's dive in. First you have to open your Instagram app and then you have to scroll through your messages. Just click this messages icon on the top right corner and it's going to bring you to your inbox. Now on your inbox, you simply have to click the chat that you want to unsend messages from, and then you have to find the message that you want to remove from both sides of the chat. So simply hold the message, and once you long press it and leave it, it's going to give you this drop down menu. On this drop down menu, you have this option delete for you. You have to skip this option. Do not click this option, otherwise it's going to delete it only for you. To delete it from the both sides of chat, you have to click this unsend option. On the bottom, you'll find this red unsend option. Simply click this option. And then it's going to give you this pop-up and you have to click OK on this. And now the message has been deleted from the both sides of chat. And that's how you delete a message from both sides of chat on Instagram.